Today we are traveling to visit Longji Rice Terraces in Longsheng Autonomous County, about 80 kilometers north of Guilin. Located on the sides of the Longji Mountains, which means Dragon's Backbone or Dragon's Spine Mountains. We took a bus from Guilin to Longji along busy and rainy highways. We left the major highways and traveled along narrower mountainous roads. We stopped at a plaza where everyone got off the bus to pay an entry fee of 80 yuan each to the Longji Rice Terrace Scenic spot. The bus then proceeded up narrow twisting mountain roads, past and through waterfalls, recklessly passing other traffic on the narrow road, while diaphanous veils of cloud shrouded the mountain peaks. We arrived at our destination, Dazhai Village, which was the base for a cable car that heads up the mountain. The owner of the Yue-xi Yun-meng Hotel picked us up in his truck and drove us along even steeper and narrower roads past landslides and rockfalls, until we reached the mountaintop hotel, where this stunning view from our spacious room awaited us. The room was equipped with a round bathtub, and even a washing machine. The view from the balcony was even more spectacular. Heading downstairs, we met a staff member in ethnic dress doing embroidery on the front veranda. We used the remaining daylight to fly the drone. until after dark. When we went inside for a simple but delicious supper of egg and tomato, pork with eggplant, and fried rice. The next morning, we had a noodle breakfast at the hotel. The weather remained cloudy and overcast. We set off to walk up the mountain path, enjoying some stunning views. Stopping for the occasional selfie, we met this older lady roasting peanuts and sweet potatoes over a fire. We visited this pagoda-like structure with great views. We stopped at a mountain cafe to warm up with coffee. The cafe even offered a decorated corner with lights for people to pose. As we climbed further up the mountain, the views became more spectacular. We encountered farmers working in the rice paddies. Cultivating rice requires a lot of water, as it is an aquatic plant. Some of the water was delivered by the ancient way in bamboo pipes, while other paddies used more modern methods. There were also plenty of streams and small waterfalls carrying water down from the cloud-covered mountaintops. In some areas, the paddy walls had collapsed. Farmers were out making repairs and preparing the rice paddies for spring planting. Towards sunset, there were some breaks in the clouds that allowed occasional patches of sunlight to embellish the landscape. As darkness fell, lights came on around the mountain valleys. While the full moon peeked out through gaps in the tattered clouds. We returned to the hotel to eat another tasty supper of stir-fried pork with peppers, egg and tomatoes, and garlic fried rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment.